Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom and self-improvement. Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, the channel where we delve deep into life's essential laws and principles that can help you unlock your true potential. Today, we have an absolute game changer for you. Law 9, always prioritize your first foundation. But before we dive into this transformative law, let's start with a story that'll make you rethink your priorities. Picture this, Warren Buffett, the billionaire sage, sharing some profound wisdom with a group of college students in Omaha, Nebraska. When I was 16, I had just two things on my mind: girls and cars. I wasn't very good with girls, so I thought about cars. Now, what's the takeaway here? Buffett, the man who conquered the financial world, is telling us that in our youth, we often prioritize things like work, relationships, and material possessions, leaving our health on the back burner. But is that the right move? Let's fast forward a bit. We all remember the global pandemic, COVID-19. It shook the world to its core, reminding us of our mortality. People with poor health, particularly obesity, were more vulnerable to severe outcomes. That got me thinking, do any of us truly believe we're going to die? Our actions often say otherwise. An international team of researchers announced that people with obesity who contracted COVID-19 were 113% more likely to fall so ill that they would need to be hospitalized. COVID-19 forced me to stare death in the face for the first time. It made me realize that my work, my relationships, my possessions, they were all just items on a table called my health. If you remove the table called my health, everything falls apart. My health is my first foundation, and it should be yours too. So, what's the key message here? Your health should be your top priority every single day, forever. Now, here's where things get exciting. After this revelation, I made radical changes in my life. I revamped my diet, started exercising religiously, and focused on self-care. And guess what? Not only am I objectively healthy, but I feel amazing. So how can we summarize Law 9? Always prioritize your first foundation. Well, here it is. Take care of your body. It is, after all, the only vehicle you get to own, the only vessel you'll use to explore the world, and the only house you can ever truly call a home. Your health is your first foundation. Folks, there's no greater form of gratitude than taking care of yourself. Prioritizing your health not only extends your life, but enhances the quality of every moment you live. Embrace this law of greatness and watch your life transform. So, what's your plan now? How will you make health your top priority? Share your thoughts and strategies in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live our best lives. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more life-changing content. Until next time, remember, your health is your first foundation. Stay healthy, stay wise, and stay tuned for more wisdom on Chapter by Chapter.